School in Harlem is one of the many New York City public elementary schools to reopen after a 3-week closure due to rising Covid-19 rates. Almost 200,000 New York City students went back to in-person classes this Monday. For now, it's just pre-K, kindergarten and elementary school students who are back to in-person classes. Middle and high schoolers are still doing remote learning here. This school is in a low-income area right next to a housing project, and many working parents have really been struggling to do online learning with young kids.
The parents rely on the older kids most likely to help the younger kids. So, I mean, it is hard, especially if parents are working.
What did you do at school?
I learn and play.
How is it when you don't go to school?
A little lonely.
For us being back, I don't think it's safe, you know. There's a lot of cases going up, not only in New York, but all over the place. This is just putting our health at risk again.
Mayor Bill de Blasio is scrapping the previous trigger point of 3% for shutting schools, provided that positivity rates in the schools themselves stay low. But every parent now has to sign a testing consent form for their child, and there are going to be random in-school COVID-19 tests of 20% of staff and students weekly.
We just randomly test the kids that come into the school that day, who are in attendance for the school that day, and the staff as well.
The reopening of elementary schools comes after angry New York parents protested and argued that it was ridiculous to shut down school buildings while gyms and indoor dining remained open here. They said that the city was ignoring data showing that schools were among the lowest risk areas. So this Monday morning, Mayor Bill de Blasio visited a school in the Bronx and said that young students told him that they were happy to return to class. He also said that he watched them putting their masks on, getting their temperatures checked and using hand sanitizer. He said, well, if little kids can do all these things, then we can too.